custom chopper motorcycle for sale. Yes, this one-of-a-kind, unique, very powerful bike is up for sale. The rear tire is a massive 250 by 18. The front tire is 90 by 21 and good tread left on both tires. I would estimate that this bike has under 10,000 miles on it. It's in excellent condition. The paint is just magnificent. It's kind of like a tangerine copper metal flake paint. The front end is an inverted American suspension front end, probably the heaviest duty front end that I've ever seen. It has the disc brakes both front and rear, and it has probably the best transmission you can get, and that's a Baker 6-speed transmission with overdrive. The clutch works flawlessly, as does the bike. And if you really want a head turner, this is it. Every time we park this bike someplace, people come over, they want to stand next to it, ask if they can take pictures. It's really a show bike, and I'm sure if it was entered in any local shows, it would be a winner. There are so many unique things on this bike I could talk forever, but let me just point up a couple. First of all, the engine is totally polished, the whole engine. Naturally, you have the exposed primary drive. You have that very unique wishbone soft tail. And there are two shocks under the frame, so this is a soft tail, though it looks like a hard tail. And also, if you look at the front end carefully, you won't see any cables going down there for the brake because all the cables run internally. Really makes for a super clean look. Again, if you're interested, this is a cash-only deal. Feel free to give me a call. We'd be able to set up a showing for you. Thanks for watching.
Put my gloves on, they're in the car.